Hi everyone, today we're getting back to colored pencils. I haven't drawn an animal with colored pencils on black paper in quite a while, so I wanted to do it again. And I picked a simple one, a black cat. I've drawn so many black cats on black paper over the years because I think it's so interesting and it's much easier than you think. I always transfer the line drawing on the black paper so that I don't damage my paper with erasing lines. And then I mostly use a white pencil from then on unless I add a touch of color, like for the eyes, for instance. My colored pencils of choice to draw on black paper are Prismacolor Premier because I think they're the most opaque one for black paper. I've always had great results with them. Now I know that the pencils that I'm using, they don't look like Prismacolor pencils, they look kind of weird. And it's because when I end up with tiny little stumps, I don't want to throw away those stumps. I don't want to waste my pencils. So I glue them to short graphite pencils. That way I can use up the whole colored pencil all the way through. And the reason why I don't glue them to the same colored pencil of the same color is that a brand new pencil is a very good size, but if I were to add a little bit more to the length of it, to me it would feel awkward to use such a long pencil. So that's why I use a shorter graphite pencil instead. I'll link a video on how I do that in case you want to check it out. And if you want to learn how to draw with colored pencils on black paper, if you want to find out the technique I use and all that, I do have full-length Skillshare classes about that. I do have a specific one that teaches you how to do a portrait of a black cat. So I'll also put the link of those classes in the description below. If you're not a member, you can always sign up for free with my referral link and it will give you a free trial and then you can watch all the videos you want. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're feeling very generous and you want to support this channel, you can always click on the super thanks next to the share button. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye bye.